What's up, everybody? You want to know what it looks like under the hood of a semi? I'm about to show you. Let's roll. Alright, gang. So this is my dirty truck. I have to get it in to get it washed, but it's been too cold to wash it. So that's a steer tire. We move on up to the engine compartment. You got a whole bunch of electrical gobbledygook. Fun stuff. You got the power steering fluid right here. You got the fuel filter right here. Headlights under there. See all that shit? All that salt and crap? God damn. You got your fan right there, your belts, your engine. Right up here is where you add the oil. You got your dipstick right here. It's about all on this side. Let's take a trip down the side. You got your steps to get in. Fuel tank. Your DEF fluid tank. This is the DEF is the diesel exhaust fluid. We have to have this stuff in order for the truck to run because of all the EPA regulations. So what it does is it supposedly it makes the diesel exhaust burn cleaner. So it's better for the environment. I don't know. It's a waste of money, I think, but whatever. You got your battery compartment here. You unhook that, come over here, unhook this side, and then there's your batteries. You got 3 on this one. Sometimes they sit like on the other side underneath the door, but mine sit here. You got your air tanks right there. These are your air hoses. You got your tractor supply and your trailer supply and all the electric. So we take a trip. You got your drive tires right here. Got your 5th wheel under there. This is called your landing gear. That's what lifts the trailer when you have to latch onto it and lowers it. Ours are only single axle trailers, so we only have 4 tires in the back instead of 8. Got our lift gates here. See that? Goes up and down. And then on the other side, over here, you got your controls for the trailer. This switches the pumps for the lift gate, the hydraulic pumps. So if it's acting up, switch it over to the other one. This is your battery for the lift gate. And then move along here, you got the drive tire on this side. These tires, because I have one of the newer tractors, these tires have a halo system that automatically inflates your tires and keeps them at the correct pressure while you're driving, which is a pretty cool system actually. So I've never had a flat, not with the drive tires, so we're good there. Missing a mud flap on the front there, but whatever. Right here you got your exhaust system, at least on this tractor. And then we'll come around to this side. This is where you add coolant if you need to add coolant. What else? You got your air inlet manifold heater right here. This thingamajigger. And then you got your windshield washer fluid. My voice just cracked again. You got your air dryer right here. This gets the moisture out of the air tanks so your brakes don't freeze up and shit like that. And then you got your exhaust piping and all that. So that's pretty much it for this. So we'll see what else we got. So the reason I made that video showing the truck and everything is because I had to come over to the warehouse anyhow, because my boss texted me and one of the trucks had to go in for a PM, which is preventative maintenance. It's where they do the oil changes and put the grease on the fifth wheel and check all things that need to be checked, make sure it's roadworthy. So they took it in yesterday, they drop it off today, and since I have a key to the warehouse and I live close, you know, he says he'll just pay me an extra hour anytime I have to bring a truck in. Well, it takes all of like 5 seconds to pull the truck in, and I get paid an hour's worth of my overtime. So it's like almost $50 an hour. So yeah, I'll do that if I'm in town for 5 minutes worth of work. Definitely, anytime. But I figured while I was here, I might as well finally get around to making the second half of one of my first videos, which was explaining like what the truck looks like on the inside and what the different buttons are for and all that. So I hope you found it informative, or if you're just curious what it looked like underneath the hood of a semi. Now, full-size semis, there's a lot more going on. The engine's bigger, all that. These are just day cabs, so it's going to be smaller and, you know, less stuff. But the basics are all there on every engine. So, hope you guys enjoyed. I am going to try and make another video this weekend. My wife she told me she got me something for the podcast or the videos. So, don't know what it is yet. I'll find out and I'll let you know in the next video. So stay tuned, stay sinful. I'll catch you later. Peace.